Okay, here is the original bushing for the strut rods that go on the Torino, and also Mustang and many Fords from 60s all the way into middle 70s, I would say. Anyway, so this is the bushing, and the bushing is extremely hard. And what happened was, not urethane or anything like that, it snapped. So the bushing was right here approximately, and I guess from it going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth along with the swing arm, moving, it snapped right there. So it must have been going back and forth a lot. So that's the importance of having it aligned. I did not put these bushings in. I'm putting these bushings in right now. And this is the new arm. Anyway, this is how the bushing is set up for this car. This is the type of bushing that you want for your car. So right now I have on 4 pieces. So I have the sleeve. This part goes up against the car. And that's of course the outer part. And then this goes on the flip side. This will go against the steel on the flip side in the front of the car. And then this is the cap. It'll fit on like that approximately. So that's what it should look like. You have to make sure that you install it right. And also make sure that you have it aligned right after it. And they'll also adjust this to the strut rod. And that's basically about it. So I just wanted to show you what could happen if you don't install these correctly or use the wrong bushings. Anyway, I hope this video helps somebody, and have a great day. Take care. Have a good one.